Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I went down to Donald's. I already opened everything I got because I was too curious, but I'm still going to show you everything I got. But first off, quick question, which one do you think I should marry? This nut or this nut? Which one? Yeah, I'm going to marry this one. Very nice. Oh shoot. Ew. Much better. Okay, let's go. So, first off, we got this magical slinky. It's like super fun. You can scratch really far. But yeah, I love this. It feels really nice. And I love doing like, my favorite thing to do with it is actually probably this. Or just like, then just pretty backing up. Okay, that's one thing. Next, got this plastic paper. It's like a tie-dye. That's the bad side. Okay, and so this is the bad side. You can't really hear it. And then this is the good side. So guys, I think this is like super good and I definitely recommend getting a plastic off it. Okay, next I got this fake dimple. I know it's fake, but I still think that it's really good. It makes a lot of noise and I love to play with the big bubble. I don't really like any of the other bubbles. I mainly like to pop down the big bubble because it's like really big. Pop, 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 pop. And I like to keep all of my fidgets on the side. Next up I have this penguin mini puppet. That is the good side and this is the bad side. Good side. And this is the bad side. Okay. And lastly, they sold like really funky colours. So I got these, purple and green. I think it looks really cool. And now, I'm actually going to try attach them both. Because like, why not? It's so hard. I'm getting annoyed. Okay. Just attach this. Oh, I done it. Yes. Ooh, look. Super long wacky track. I'm going to attach this to this now. Oh, no, I almost got it. Anyways, this is how long it is. So this is it beside me standing up. So it's quite tall. Now let's test the clicking noise. Oh, so guys, I always do this one thing with them. So I do this and then I pull it. But I've never done it with two wacky tracks attached. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that now. So guys, altogether, all of these fidgets all cost, I think, €17. So yeah, that's grand. I did get a couple fidgets. So guys, what do you think? Do you think €17 was worth it, or do you think it was a rip-off? I think it was worth it. I don't know though. What do you guys think? Okay guys, I've done. Okay, that's all I'll be super quiet. ASMR 3, 2. Hey guys, so that's it for the ASMR, but we are not finished with this video. First of all, I'm going to try to attach these two into a circle. I can't get it, but that's the furthest it can go. Ow! It's just the orange that does not accept anybody into its life. I'm not able to do this. But anyways, instead of this, I'm actually going to detach this because so there it is. Okay. Just put all this fidgets back in. I miss the clothes. Come on. I love my dimple. I think it's really fun. By the way, guys, my brother spent most of his money on these fidgets because I normally spend more of my money. But anyways, so we're going to try and see how far this can stretch. Obviously, it can stretch much further than with me just pulling at it like that. So, we're going to try it in a different way. I'm going to put you all the way up here, so can you see across the room? So I'm going to go to the door, and I'll be back once I've got it attached. Okay, so 2 little hoopies are attached. Oh, it just blinked back. Ink. So by the way, guys, it's actually very far. So I'm going to try to do this very slowly. Very, very slowly. Guys, we still have all of this left. And this is all the way from my door. probably can go further, but no! I need somebody to hold it. And guys, I know that this is how you get your slinkies tangled. My brother told me not to do it, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Okay, so I'm gonna put them downstairs. I hope they don't get tangled. Okay. 3. Watch out for that. Oof. It just kind of stopped. Okay. I'm just gonna try, see if this works. Oh, it just keeps splatting. 2, 1. Oh, so annoying. Oh. Come back. Oh, thanks. Guys, it does work. You just have to do it right. Okay. So, I'm going to show you me doing it. So, I'm just going to get ready. I'm going to turn you around and you won't be able to see me. So, in 3. Right, 3, 2, 1. Ah. Oh, it just stopped. Oh, now I'm sad. Okay. Come back. Okay then. So let's. Oh no! You stay here. And it's going down like the Titanic. Okay, I'm gonna lift it. Let's go. Just gonna eat that. Oh, it's getting very annoying. I've seen so many people do it and it worked so much better for them. Guys, by the way, don't try this out anyways. Oh yeah, he was doing it, but I didn't record it. Oh, stupid Luna. Oh. Okay then, so I'm gonna try to, okay then. Yay! It kind of worked. I would have liked it to go down the stairs all together in one piece. I'm gonna actually try that again. So yeah. Okay. So there's us. And here's the top of my stairs. And there's the bottom. Oof. It stopped again. Oof. Why not just throw it down? Alright guys. I just kind of give up on something once I can't do it. But I'm going to try like fling it off of very weird surfaces. Oh no. Hey! Hey! Wait! So guys, this is like super fun. But anyways, I think that's probably going to be it for today's video. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. I know I don't normally wear my hair like this, but I kind of just felt like it. Anyways, bye. Anyway, bye.